Do you see parents doing some things that they're doing with good intentions, but they may unintentionally or unknowingly be harming the kid? What are some of the common mistakes parents making, not just for kids with special needs, but generally for the kids, especially in this day and age, which you wish they were not doing, and that would give the kid a better chance at growing a better brain or neurological development?
Sam, very good and excellent question. This question is about overdosing, right? So the overdosing happens in certain things. For example, we may be the culprit of it too. For example, you're too busy as a parent and you just provide them resources, but not the real interaction. Or you have not controlled the home environment and you're talking to the child and there is a lot of background noise. TV is on, tablet is on at a full speed, and
Mm,
nobody can listen. Or the example of the child eating while using a tablet, so that you can't even talk to them anymore.
mm,
So some parents, I call them helicopter parents. They are on top of kids all the times, so they don't let them do anything on their own. Like for example, your child make a mistake and you immediately fix it. You don't need to. There are some stresses which the child needs. Until they fall from a bicycle, they are not going to learn how to ride a
mm,
bicycle. This is a kind of a regular normal stress. It's fine. For example,
mm,
the other thing, if they are failing, let them fail. Failure is
mm,
very important in life, because if you won't fail, how would you analyze what mistake I did? And then you will retry, and then you will fail again, then you will retry, then you will fail again, and then you will realize, oh fine, yeah, you know what, that's the mistake I was doing. So no need to like helping them all the times. Okay, the other thing I think we as a parent do, and even I made that mistake. For example, your child does something, and you have to mirror their emotion. For example, your child did something wrong and the child started crying, and you as a parent found it very funny, and you say, ha, child is going to take it very negative. We say
yeah.
you are, although you really want to, you felt it so funny, but no, don't laugh, don't
Yeah.
laugh. If they are sad at that moment, make a sad face. And
Mm,
because that's gonna, the child is gonna learn empathy. So if they are very happy on something, be a part of it. And the other thing is yelling at the child. You are very tired and now you are just constantly yelling at them, even on a minor mistake. As I discussed before, you as a parent, you are very tired